Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door latch in a Samsung dryer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door latch. The door latch is mounted on the dryer's outer panel. It catches the door strike, keeping the dryer door closed. If the dryer door won't stay latched, check the latch and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the dryer door. To remove the door latch, we need to take out two Phillips screws. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver, and we're going to unscrew them, and then we can remove this latch. This is the old door latch next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's install the door latch in and secure it with the two Phillips screws. I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver for that purpose. And now we can tighten them both. And now we can close the door. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.